At your service.
Es your lentes takso.
Hi po! Welcome back to RK Magical World. At kung bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell para lagi tayong updated. Syempre, leave your comments below para mabasa naman ng inyong lingkod. Yan. Shout out po sa ating bagong subscriber. Yan. Cutie Little Chef, yan, ng Langkawi, Malaysia, yan. Hashtag sa'yo and salute na din sa'yo, ma'am. Ayan, and of course, sa kanyang kapatid, yan, shoutout na din sa'yo. And to all of our subscribers, maraming salamat po, likers, watchers, and viewers. Jokeness, watchers and viewers, the same thing! Alright, unboxing ulit tayo. Yan. Maraming salamat, Kuya Ninja Ban. Thank you very much. And as your request, alright, today, for this unboxing, we will try our best to speak English. Thank! Okay, here we go. So again, if you're going to use C-Store, right, don't forget the quote unquote, alright, take care. Later, you will cut your tiny fingers. Okay, so in Tagalog, mag-ingat po tayo sa paggamit ng gunting. Okay, we don't have gunting. So maybe we can use our hands. Ooh, cool. Thank you very much. Yan. Shout out po sa'yo, seller. Right? Shout out to our seller. She put it in a nice way. It's singing. Here we go, guys. Ooh. Okay, so we have a bubble wrap. Now the end is near. So, oh my gosh. Okay, we have a new 5A. Data cable 5A. Okay, so for you guys to see, we're going to open it up. Wow. Wow. It's color white. Alright, hope it will match our phone later on, alright? Chung chung. Okay, and of course next is another clutch. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, if your hands are too sharp, you can use it, right? Without scissors. Okay, here we go. Oh, God. Right, suitable for a variety of mobile phones and mobile power supplies. So, if your phone got no battery, you can use this. Right, and this would be given to somebody else. Dang, and it's so cute. Oh, there's another hook, maybe for charging it. And here we go. Alright, it looks like this. And it says power bank capacity of 3.7 voltage slash 20,000 mAh. Okay, input is DC 5.0 voltage slash 1.5A. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we get two slots here. Alright, yeah, we got two here for this one. Okay, and for the smaller one, we have also two. And this one is the light. Okay, we got light. Alright, we'll try to turn on. Okay, there you go. We got turn on there. Okay, and hope you like it, guys. Bye bye. Joke. Joke only. We have another one coming up.